Okay, what we're gonna do today is do like a loudmouth exhaust on this early Corvette. It's a little bit quiet. Got two cats on each bank, and it has a balance too. So he just wants a little bit more throat. And it's already got Flowmasters on it. So we're gonna try to wiggle this out of here. So after it's out, we've got a couple of small pipes we're gonna just tie in the exhaust inlet. It's a dual outlet. We're just gonna bypass half of this. So some of the exhaust will still go through the muffler. A lot of it will come out path of least resistance and right out the tailpipe. Gonna cut a fish mouth in here. I've opened these up already, welded up, painted, cleaned all the coating off. We've got a sound bite, what it sounded like before we started, and we'll do another one when it's done.